Hello, galaxy of learned intellectuals, colleagues, friends, and dear near blooming students. Good morning to all of you. This is Suresh Bhardwaj with his clause. How to combine sentences into one compound sentence? Let us learn. Let us do. Suppose Ram is a boy. Ram is a boy. It is now sentence. Sita is a girl. Right? Here two sentences. So Ram subject part. It is now subject part. Is a boy predicate part. Predicate part. Clear? Subject part. This is a sentence. इस सेंटेंस में चार शब्द हैं. 4 words are here in this sentence. Each and every sentence has two parts. Subject part and predicate part. ये portion predicate part हो गया. Right? Likely, this is your subject part and this is now predicate part. Predicate part. ये भी sentence है. Clear? Ram is a boy. It gives you full meaning, complete meaning. Ram एक लड़का है. Sita is a girl. Sita एक लड़की है. Right? Complete sense, complete meaning. Free sentence, free sentence. This sentence both are of equal rank. इसका rank और इस sentence का rank equal rank है. बिल्कुल समान है. छोटे बड़े नहीं है. Equal rank, equal position. These are the sentences of equal rank or position. ये sentence है. ये भी sentence है. ये आपका simple sentence है यहाँ पर. Simple sentence. Simple sentence. Simple sentence, simple sentence. Okay. So, Ram is a boy. But Sita is a girl. Sita is a girl. Here you see. Simple sentence, simple sentence. Okay. And but connector लग गया. Coordinated conjunction लगा है. Coordinate conjunction. Coordinate. Coordinate conjunction. Coordinate conjunction का प्रयोग किया गया है. Coordinate conjunction. But coordinate conjunction. Two sentences combined into one. तो यह सेंटेंस है. राम इज द बॉय, सीता इज द गर्ल सेंटेंस है. और क्लॉज किसे कहते हैं? यू नो क्लॉज. क्लॉज का भी कैरेक्टरिस्टिक क्या है कि सब्जेक्ट पार्ट होगा, प्रेडिकेट पार्ट होगा. इट इज नाउ अ क्लॉज. वाक्य उपयोग. सीता इज अ गर्ल, ये भी क्लॉज है. सेंटेंस सब्जेक्ट पार्ट है, प्रेडिकेट पार्ट है. तो जैसा कि सेंटेंस में सब्जेक्ट एंड प्रेडिकेट पार्ट है, लाइकली इन योर क्लॉज सब्जेक्ट पार्ट एंड प्रेडिकेट पार्ट इट कंटेन्स को जोड़ दिया. कोऑर्डिनेट कंजंक्शन का प्रयोग करते हुए जोड़ दिया. ये आपका एक वाक्य बड़ा स्ट्रक्चर बन गया. राम इज अ बॉय, सीता इज अ गर्ल, कंबाइंड इनटू वन सेंटेंस, वन स्ट्रक्चर यूजिंग कोऑर्डिनेट कंजंक्शन बट. तो इसको हम प्रिंसिपल क्लॉज बोलेंगे. प्रिंसिपल क्लॉज. प्रिंसिपल क्लॉज एंड दिस इज योर कोऑर्डिनेट क्लॉज. कोऑर्डिनेट क्लॉज बन गया. एंड होल ऑफ द स्ट्रक्चर, यहां से लेकर के यहां तक, होल ऑफ द स्ट्रक्चर इज नाउ कंपाउंड सेंटेंस. compound sentence. ये तो हाउ टू फ्रेम कंपाउंड सेंटेंस यूजिंग कोऑर्डिनेट कंजंक्शन एंड हियर यू फाइंड टू क्लॉजेस जो मेन क्लॉज इसको मेन बना देंगे और ये कोऑर्डिनेट क्लॉज है बट रिमेंबर ऑलवेज फॉर कंपाउंड सेंटेंस both are the clauses I mean principal clause and coordinate clause they are of equal rank ये मीनिंग देते हैं नॉट डिपेंडिंग अपॉन ये डिपेंड नहीं करता है ये भी फ्री है ये भी फ्री है तो प्रिंसिपल क्लॉज अब सिंपल सेंटेंस आपने देखा सिंपल सेंटेंस में क्या आपने पाया प्रिंसिपल clause and coordinate clause और इस तरह से आपका बन गया दिस इज नाउ योर कंपाउंड सेंटेंस principal clause plus coordinate clause principal clause and coordinate clause so that is compound sentence likely so many other sentences clauses may be combined into one compound sentence I would like to write some of the connectors or linker sentence linker or connector okay to frame or to form compound sentence क्लॉज को देखिए सिंपल सेंटेंस ओके आपने यहां पर आप देख रहे हैं सिंपल सेंटेंस और कंपाउंड सेंटेंस आप देख रहे हैं क्लॉज हम पढ़ रहे हैं क्लॉज और हम कोऑर्डिनेट क्लॉज पढ़ेंगे तो कोऑर्डिनेट कंजंक्शन है आई वुड लाइक टू गिव यू list of and please note down and or but both and to now also not less than wherever not only but also not only but also as well as still it nevertheless only however does while either or neither nor otherwise else or therefore so for then now these are etc these are now coordinate conjunction using these coordinate conjunction how to frame how to combine two sentences using coordinate conjunction, combining two sentences into one sentence, into one compound sentence. So let us use, I would like to use some of these connectors, coordinate connectors in different sentences to form compound sentence. Okay dear, one by one I would like to देखिए, she is a beautiful girl. She is a beautiful girl. One sentence here. She is an intelligent girl. Intelligent girl. Two sentences of equal ranks you find here. यहाँ ये है और यहाँ पर ये है. So combine into one. She is both. She is both beautiful and intelligent. Intelligent girl. Combined into one using both and. Using both and. In this way here, so she is a beautiful girl. This is your now principal clause, and intelligent girl now coordinate clause, compound sentence. Compound sentence. Compound sentence here using both and. प्रिंसिपल क्लास ये बन गया है. She is, देखते जाइए. She is rich. She is rich. She is now clever. Two sentences here, ये और ये. Okay, clever. Of equal rank, of equal position. Combine these two. She is not only rich, but also clever. She is not only rich, but also clever. She is. Here you see, not only but also has been used here. So this portion now principal clause, and she is also clever. तो but से जुड़ा है, not only but से but also से. तो here you see coordinate clause, coordinate coordinate and clause, and then compound sentence. In very short, compound हमने इसको लिख दिया COMP. तो compound sentence it is now has been framed using not only but also. Here और देखिए, तो compound sentence means the clauses in compound sentence are of equal rank, equal position. Know any of these sentences depending on each other. No, they are independent. Okay. Other sentence. Now I would like to frame. He is illiterate. वह illiterate है, अनपढ़ है. He is illiterate. His parents are illiterate. उसके पेरेंट्स भी इलिटरेट हैं. Okay, two sentences of equal rank, right? Then combine. He is as well as his parents. His parents is illiterate. ध्यान दीजिएगा, ये ही जो है फर्स्ट है, नॉमिनेट किया गया है, इसलिए इसका प्रयोग यहाँ पर होगा, ना कि पेरेंट्स आर का प्रयोग होगा. नो, तो ही के अनुसार इज लगाएंगे, इज लिटरेट. एज वेल एज, तो इट इज नाउ प्रिंसिपल क्लॉज, और यहाँ से जो बना है तो his parents illiterate. This is your coordinate clause, compound sentence, CD, compound sentence. You see here coordinate, using coordinate conjunction, तो coordinate clause बन गया, and he is illiterate. जब इसको analyze करेंगे, he is illiterate, analyze हो गया, and his parents are illiterate. Analyze होने के बाद as well as के साथ ये now coordinate clause, and this is your principal clause, compound sentence. It is now. Do. डायरेक्ट लिखता हूं, do what you like. करो जो तुम चाहते हो. Do what you like. Only but. Only don't. Only don't sit near me. Sit near me. देखिए, using only. Do what you like. This is your principal clause. And this is now coordinate clause, coordinate clause, and then compound sentence. Yeah. Yes, some of other users look at my uncle is rich. One sentence, okay. My father is poor. Two sentences of equal rank. My father is poor. Okay. My uncle is rich. ये सेंटेंस एंड दिस सेंटेंस ऑफ इक्वल रैंक, इक्वल पोजीशन. कंबाइन दिस टू यूजिंग व्हाई आर whereas any of these two, okay, you may use. So my uncle is rich while my father is poor. मेरे अंकल रिच है जबकि मेरे पिताजी पुअर, गरीब हैं. Whereas जबकि, so here you see of equal rank, you know, principal clause, and this is your coordinate clause, okay, coordinate clause, compound sentence, coordinate clause, compound sentence. While, whereas, used to form compound sentence. Okay, dear. I felt angry. मैं गुस्सा महसूस किया. I felt angry. One sentence. I kept quiet. मैं शांत रहा. I kept quiet. I felt angry. Okay. I kept quiet. मैं शांत रहा. I felt angry. Both are now of equal rank, equal position, not depending upon. Okay, combine these two by using but, परंतु. एंग्री हूं और फिर भी शांत हूं, ये अपोजिट सेंस में but to be used. Okay, so here you see principal clause and this portion coordinate clause, a compound sentence. Okay dear, some more uses. Let me use using coordinate conjunction to form, okay, compound sentence. He worked hard. One sentence here, free sentence. Okay, he failed. वो फेल कर गया. Okay. So let me combine these two sentences. At, Y-E-T, इस पर भी at. He worked hard, at he failed. फिर भी इस पर भी वो कठिन परिश्रम किया, फिर भी इस पर भी फेल कर गया. तो coordinate clause and this is now principal clause, compound sentence. Compound sentence. Compound sentence. Okay dear. He worked hard. One sentence. He worked hard. एक सेंटेंस हो गया. तो at he failed. दूसरा सेंटेंस of equal rank. Nevertheless, गायब कर देते हैं. Nevertheless, फिर भी तो भी he failed. He failed. Okay, nevertheless he failed. Coordinate clause, and this is now principal clause. Compound sentence. Compound sentences. Okay, two clauses, coordinate, principal clause and coordinate clause combined into one. So that structure is known as compound structure, compound sentence. It is. You are at fault. To fault for who? You are at fault. Okay. He is at fault. He is at fault. Three sentences, not depending upon the use coordinate conjunction to form compound sentence. Either you or he is at fault. So he is at fault. ये portion. So you are at fault. Principal clause and he is at fault. Either or से जुड़ा है. So this is coordinate clause, compound sentence. Compound sentence now are being used. Likely, I have not a bike. मेरे पास बाइक नहीं है. I haven't a car. मेरे पास कार भी नहीं है, बाइक भी नहीं है. तो I have neither bike nor a car. I have neither a bike, I यहाँ लगा सकते हैं, a bike nor a car. Here, so neither nor, now coordinate clause and I have, so this is now principal clause and here you know this portion coordinate clause compound sentence it is. Compound sentence. Compound sentence. In compound sentence, both the principal clause and coordinate clause are of equal rank. Okay. Hurry up. One sentence. Okay. You will मिस द ट्रेन. जल्दी करो, तुम ट्रेन मिस कर दोगे. तो हरी अप. वन सेंटेंस, you will miss the train. It is your next sentence of equal rank. Hurry up or you will miss the train. So coordinate clause, okay, and hurry up, this is principal clause, compound sentence it is. Or else, आप R लगा लीजिए या else, both are correct. Hurry up else you will miss the train. Hurry up or you will miss the train. So this is now coordinate or else you will miss the train. Coordinate clause, hurry up principal clause, compound sentence it is. Okay. Work hard. One sentence, right? You will fail. कठिन परिश्रम करो, तुम फेल हो जाओगे. Combine these two sentences into one using coordinate conjunction. Otherwise. Otherwise. So work hard, principal clause. Otherwise you will fail. This is coordinate clause, compound sentence it is. Okay. Compound sentence. Combining two sentences into one using coordinate conjunction. Okay, so that structure is a compound sentence. The same pattern. He worked hard. Pattern question here. Okay. He passed. वो पास हो गया. Do sentence. He worked hard. He passed. Therefore, or so. He worked hard, therefore he passed. Coordinate clause, and this is principal clause, compound sentence it is. The bus is about to go. The bus is about to go. Okay, one sentence. It is now. Let us get in. Let us get in. Two sentences. The bus is about to go. बस जाने वाली है. Let us get in. हमें चढ़ जाने, इसमें चढ़ जाने दो. तो the bus is about to go, comma, let us get in then. So let us get in then connector here. या आप यहाँ भी लगा सकते हैं. Let us get in then. Coordinate conjunction then. Coordinate clause, and this is the principal clause, compound sentence it is. It has become. The days are short. The days are short. Okay. दूसरा सेंटेंस. It is December. यह दिसंबर का महीना है. Both are of equal length. It is December. The days are short. दिन छोटे होते हैं. Right? Two sentences to be combined into one using coordinate conjunction and for, use for, ये क्या हो गया. और it is December. For it is December. Now coordinate conjunction, coordinate clause, and this is principal clause, compound sentence it is. Okay. Here you are learning how to combine sentences into one compound using coordinate conjunction to form compound sentence. He did not do any work. और कोई काम नहीं किया. He did not do any work. Right? He wanted money. He wanted money. कोई काम नहीं किया और पैसा चाहा. He did not work, he wanted money. Two sentences are here. Okay. Still के प्रयोग से use still to combine these two sentences into one. तो still here, still से लेकर के यहाँ तक coordinate clause and he did not do any work. Principal clause, compound sentence. Still माने, still means here फिर भी, इस पर भी. काम नहीं किया फिर भी इस पर भी वो ऐसा चाहा. Then he tried his best. उसने सबसे अच्छी कोशिश किया. One sentence here. He tried his best. Okay dear. He got success. और सफलता पाया. Two sentences are equal rank or position. He tried his best. अगर इसको प्रिंसिपल मान लें, यहाँ जोड़ दीजिए, तो किससे जोड़ेंगे? जोड़िए does. इस प्रकार. तो does he got success? Does he got success? Now coordinate clause and this is your now principal clause, compound sentence. Compound sentence, right? Compound sentence you see here. In this video we have learnt a lot how to combine two sentences using coordinate conjunction, okay, to form compound sentence. Okay dear, wish you all the best and brightest. Thank you.